Tourists are flocking to the City of Manila because of this musical dancing fountain at the Andres Bonifacio Shrine. It has become one of the main attractions of Manila, especially at night, thanks to Mayor Isko Moreno. If you live in Bicol, you need not travel far to witness this light show. Governor Chiz Escudero showed on Twitter Sorsogon's own dancing fountain located at the provincial capital.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.